Hello, and welcome back to COLLAB University. You are here with Andrea Kleinmonk. I am a media and PR strategist. I am the founder of the Lab Media and Public Relations Agency, also the founder of COLLAB University, and a plethora of other brands. But I am here because I want to be the place where business owners can come. I want to be the place that I wish I had when I was just starting out as an entrepreneur over a decade ago. And since then, I've been able to build two six-figure businesses, one that was a brick and mortar and one which is my media company, where I'm able to work from wherever, whenever I want. So I'm here to share the wealth, the knowledge that I've gotten. I don't think I made it clear that COLLAB University is a business course that you can receive a certification for at the end. You can become a certified make money method strategist, and you can implement the things that you will learn over the next 6 to 7 months in this course into your own business. You are able to become a make money method coach, where you're able to teach other entrepreneurs and business owners how to incorporate this method into their business. And lastly, you're able to become a make money method trainer, where you're able to license the information that we're going to go over here over the next 6 to 7 months and implement that through trainings, workshops. You can sell it to schools or organizations, businesses, whatever you want to do, whatever your heart desires, you will be able to do that. So this is not just a series of YouTube videos that I'm making. This is actually a course, and you can become certified at the end of it. So what we're doing is we're going through real life scenarios, real life situations, real life case studies, where we're looking at their current business model and we're fixing it with the make money method. And that is one message, one offer, and one system. So let's get into today's case study. Today we're going to be taking a look at Marcus. Marcus is a barber, and I don't think that I specified this in the last video, but I want to make sure that you understand that anyone, whenever you come across a client, or if you're taking these courses to help your own business, whenever you come across a client, there's going to be something psychologically that's holding them back from where they want to be. And it's not, when I say psychological, don't think about a mental illness. This is just something that they've made true in their brain that's keeping them from getting to the next level. So let's take a look at what Marcus's psychological trigger is. Marcus believes more exposure will fix his slow weeks. He thinks he needs more followers before he can get more bookings, so he keeps posting haircuts instead of making a compelling entry offer. So I see this all the time. They have all the tangibles. Marcus has all the tangible skills that he needs in his hand to make the amount of money that he wants to make monthly. He's just put his own mental limitations in his mind. So today we're going to talk through some things to help him get over that mental hurdle. So let's jump into his problem. So Marcus is posting haircut photos without a booking strategy. There's no new client entry offer and no link in bio to schedule instantly. He's waiting for referrals instead of creating demand. He's also treating social media like a portfolio instead of a sales tool. So let's go back for just a second. I want to talk about the course, right? So each course has a level and a title. So today's course is level 102. And is, if you want more clients, you need a better offer. So this is for people, if you're good at what you do, but your calendar still has empty spots, the problem isn't your skill, it's your offer. So let's get into his current business model. We've talked about the client problem. Now we want to talk about his current model. Currently, he's posting haircut pictures. He's waiting for people to DM him. Hope referrals increase. He does not have a booking link, and there's no first visit incentive. If you want to get new customers, we need to change the way that you do business. So let's take this current business model step by step. The first thing, posting haircut pictures. I see so many people use social media as a portfolio, and it's not. It's a tool that you should be using to interact with your clients instead of just posting their before and after haircuts, even if you even post the before, because most times I just see people posting afters. Put a mic on them and go through the motion of, hey, what brings you in today, man? Or maybe not what brings you in. Go through the motion of, hey, so what we getting today? I know last time you got XYZ. This time, do you want to try ABC, or we're going to stick with the usual? Show people the experience and what it's like to come and sit in your chair. This goes for barbers. This goes for cosmetologists. This goes for nail techs, estheticians, anybody who's providing a service. Same for me. If you come into my office or my studio and we're talking about ways to increase your bottom line, to be more creative with your social media content, what tech tools you need to build the systems that's going to help you put all these things into place, you're going to have an experience when you come in here. I'm going to understand who you are as a person, what your current schedule is like, what's your psychological trigger. So if you are someone who's going through this course wanting to be a coach or wanting to be a trainer, that's the type of mindset that you need to have in order to execute at a higher level. So he's waiting for people to DM him. Why can't you DM people? Why can't you start the conversation? Why can't you initiate the conversation? Why can't you hand out your business cards when you're out and about, or put your QR code out there, or have your I have a dot wristband that people can just tap if they want to get my information. Why aren't you putting yourself out there? This is your business. This is your bread and butter. You need to take it seriously. You need to act like this is your livelihood, because it is. All right, so he's also hoping referrals increase. Okay, this is not church, this is business. We hope and pray and wish in church. Okay? Today, you have to work. Faith without works is dead. So you got to put your best foot forward. Stop hoping for referrals. Put the systems in place so that you're able to generate your own referrals. Tell the person that's getting up out of your chair, hey man, $10 off your next cut if you send someone my way. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? He's not going to get $10 off every time, but the next time he will if you send somebody your way. Just tell him to mention your name, man, I got you. What's wrong with that? Nothing. All right, so no booking link. Most people have a booking link, but if you do not, you need to get one. There's nothing worse than having to go back and forth in a DM with someone who you want to try their services out, but they don't have a website, they don't have a streamlined system to get you booked. It's nothing wrong with having a $25 consultation fee either, or $50, $75, whatever your market is conducive to. There's nothing wrong with that. Your time is precious. So if they want to come in and you want to look at the condition of their hair and all that, and that's a whole nother avenue of things that you can do to set yourself apart in the industry. And I need you to join COLLAB University, because in there you can ask me specific questions and I can answer those for you. No first visit incentive. You need to be giving them a beard balm, a beard oil, a do-rag, something. First visit incentive, that's a first visit gift, but a first visit incentive, we did pick one out for Marcus, so we're going to go over that in just a second. Now, we went over the current model, so now it's time to get into let's fix it. So we're going to use our method: one message, one offer, one system. So our first one message is the one entry offer. New clients first cut $25. That's a steal. One booking link, simple schedule link in bio. One content message, transformation videos, and book your first visit here. All right, so let's fix it. We basically just fixed the broken current model. Our message is going to be all new clients get their first cut for $25. One offer is going to be the simple scheduling link in bio. So they have to access the offer. So we need to make sure that we have one link tree just for this offer. One link tree just for this offer. your other clients can continue to use your other booking link. They should have access to it. But new clients, they need to use this booking link right here because it's going to automatically book them at $25. One content message, transformation videos, and book your first visit here. Okay, so now how do we get to that money? How do we get to the money, honey? How do we get to the money, hon? All right, so how to make money fast. What is Marcus going to do? Marcus is going to record one short transformation style video, a before and after of a haircut. The overlay text, new clients get their first cut for $25 this week only. Caption, tap the booking link in my bio to lock in your spot. This creates urgency, clarity, and immediate action. Okay, so now that we have his one message, his one offer, it's time to get the system. Let's talk about the tech needed to implement this system that we've created for Marcus. All right, hey guys, it's Andrea. If you're ready to take what you're learning in COLLAB University and combine it with the system and the tech you need to push it over the edge, you need to come and join the Lead Lab. The Lead Lab is a CRM tool designed with the business and owner and entrepreneur in mind. But what makes the Lead Lab special is that not only do you get the tech and the systems that you need to scale and grow your business or brand, but you also get media marketing and branding strategy, as well as operations and logistics to help you reach your monthly financial goals. And we have two different options. The $299 option, we help you create everything, and for $399 a month, we'll do everything for you. So if this is something that you could benefit from, and I know that you can, click the link below to join the Lead Lab today. So once the market starts getting consistent bookings, we're gonna send reminders to reduce no-shows. We're gonna do follow-ups to create repeat customers, promotions to fill the slow days. We're going to create client lists so that they become long-term income. Instead of guessing each week, systems will help Marcus turn one-time clients into regulars automatically. Y'all, it's simple as that. If you trust me and just simplify your entry offer, make it simple. You got one way in, but once you're in, once we create this client list, because think about it, if he's posting this thing 3 to 5 times a day for just 1 week out of the month, Marcus decides that he's going to run this promotion like the slowest week. If he knows that the slowest week is the 3rd week of the month, he's going to choose to run this new promotion that 3rd week of the month. If he gets in 25 new clients every 3rd week of the month, and he's going to do this every single month, and the promotion may change, and I do encourage that. Switch it up. You don't want people to know what you got coming. You want to switch it up. Again, join COLLAB University, because in there we can deep dive, we can brainstorm, and you get the support that you need in order to bring these things to fruition, bring it to life. So once we get those 25 new clients, you now have them in your ecosystem. You should have a CRM. Join the Lead Lab. We take good care of you in there. Okay, shameless plug. But you should have a CRM in place, because that CRM is going to automatically send those reminders and those no-shows. It's going to automatically follow up to create repeat customers. When there are slow months, you can reach out to everybody that you've compiled in your email list and send out promotions just for them. And that way, those are called warm leads. Some of them may be a hot lead, because now they continue to come to you every month and you have a new customer base. But you're able to send out something to them. Hey, lineups 50% off for the next 5 people who come in the door. Or, you know, something. You can get creative with it. But guys, if you want more clients, you need a better offer. Okay? All right, so if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. If you want one-on-one guidance and support, we do offer it. It's free inside COLLAB University. Just put your questions in there. I will reply. All right, so that's it for level 102 for course. Let's kiss this. Okay, so that's it for lesson 102. I'll see you next time in 103.